Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about this question which was asked in NEET 2020. So this question is asking that in a class of BDS students there are two students X and Y. They had given some names but let's keep them student X and Y. In that student X is in 10th position and student Y is in 14th position. So what kind of scale is it that it has been asked to us? So we know that there are total 4 scales: nominal, interval, ratio and ordinal. These are the 4 scales. The nominal scale, basically, as you can remember it, nominal, from that you can remember name. So if the categorization or the scale is based on the names, let's say you are asked whether it is male or female, that is a nominal scale. So it is simply gives the names to the different conditions. Okay. Another classification here you can take from dentistry point of view is Engel's classification. It just gives name class 1, 2 and 3, although it has its own characteristic, like the its own characteristic is there in males and females, but Engel's classification as such is a example of nominal scale. Okay. Another, you can take the skin color, white or black. All of this are nominal scale, right? Then comes the interval and ratio scale. Now both this interval and ratio scale are where numbers are used. Both the interval and ratio will use the number. Okay. And between each number there is a interval between them. So if you go from one point to other point, the measurement is there. But how is it different? How is interval scale different from a ratio scale? The interval scale is where there is no true 0 point. The example for this is temperature, which we measure either in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. And for the ratio, here the numbers are used, but there is a true 0 point is there. For example, you can measure height, you can measure weight. Okay. All of this are where you can tell that height of 0 centimeter is possible, weight of 0 is possible. When it is not existing, you can call it 0. But if you, even if you are calling it 0 degrees Celsius or 0 degree Fahrenheit, it doesn't tell a true 0. Even 0 degrees Celsius is a temperature, 0 degree Fahrenheit is a temperature, right? But if it is a 0 centimeter height or 0 gram or milligram of the weight, it means it is not existing. So in that way, if a true 0 point is there, we'll call it a ratio scale, and if there is no true 0 point, we'll call it a interval scale. And the last one is ordinal scale. You can remember ordinal scale by order. If certain order is given of numbers, we'll call it as ordinal scale. So it will list out the conditions in an order of severity. For example, let's take TNM scale. So TNM stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, all of these are order. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 is there. Same way, if in an exam, if you are given ranking, so first rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank, like this ranks are given. Okay. Now you cannot tell that's how much severe stage 2 is than stage 1, and you don't have a specific distance between rank 1 and rank 2. The rank 1 might be 98% and then rank 2 might be 95 and rank 3 may be 75% also. That is possible. Okay. So there is no definite interval between them, whereas the definite interval is there here in the ratio scale also and the interval scale also, right? So in the question that is asked to us, that in a class of BDS student, student X is 10th position and student Y is 14th position. So in this case, the answer will be ordinal scale, which is telling us the order.